Hello guys, this is the Frank the Anointed FX. So this is our weekly outlook on the currency pair, silver and gold and stock indices and the rest of them. So guys, let's start with silver. First of all, I want to view the silver in a bigger time frame to show you the bigger picture of what is happening in silver. Looking at silver here, I suspected a correction. Look at the correction I'm talking about. This could be A, B, and C. So the A has completed, the B has completed, the C is what we normally look for. Normally, in a little wave rule, zigzag is always A opposed to C. So this is why this is our benchmark for the correction. This 36, 36.40. So looking at silver now, you see that you already done with one. You have done with two. This is three, and this is four. This is four. So the movement is now the five wave. So let's go down daily time frame. Looking at daily time frame, you can see that the silver, the wave five already do one, two, three, and four. Okay, let's go to 4 hours. Okay, one, two, three, and four. So this is the fifth wave. So the fifth wave normally is supposed to end in this box that I marked. I said that I marked already box. So what I suspect that may happen is that there's going to be a small up move and a correction and another up move before sale starts. So the best way to trade this pair is to wait for the correction, buy the last move, and then go out and wait for the sell setup. So there's a possibility that it might also decided to just correct a little bit like here, and then break this channel. The channel cannot catch it and come to here before it now drops. These two possibility is can be seen. So what am I going to do? I'm going to wait for, because looking at here, you can see wave one, see wave. This is looking at it, you can see this is one, this is two, this is another one, this is another two, this is three. I'm looking for four, five, another four, another five. That's what I'm looking for in silver. So one that is getting, once I see a correction, I'll buy again. If I see a sell signal, I'll sell. That is up silver, but every other thing will be updated in our Telegram channel. So if you are not in our Telegram channel, you are missing a lot, because that move of silver was captured fully in our Telegram channel. So that's all for silver. So let's look at this is Great Britain Australian dollar. So we have done an impulse wave of one, two, three, four, five. So this is A. Let's go to the time frame so you can see more clearly. So this is wave A, and this is wave B. So looking at it, you can see it by yourself. See the structure: A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. So see, so I expected this to come up a little bit to make an expanded flat, to make an expanded or a leveler flat, right? Something like this. Mm, something like this before a five wave will come up here. So looking at it, you may find some buy setup to this very place if you go down to lower time frame, which I will update in Telegram channel. I will not be updating it here. I don't want it to be long. So looking at gold, let's see gold. Let's see gold the weekly time frame. So let's look at gold here. I think you can get what we wanted here. This is the wave four of the bigger white time frame, and this is where the wave five started. This is one. This is A. This is B. This is C. This is wave two. And this a hole from here, from this very place to here, to this coming up here is wave three. And counting inside of it, you can see 1, 2, you can see 3, you can see 4. And this is the fifth wave of that wave 3 that is coming up. Looking at the inside the fifth wave, you can see 1, you can see 2, you can see this place, you can see this one. Let me show you something. This is the wave 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see the wave 3. Can you see that this is the wave 3 and this is wave 4? Then wave 5 is coming. So I expected gold to the wave 5 to come here, and a very big correction may come to this very place before another up move will come. This big correction may last approximately 1 month. It's going to be a very big correction, or it may not be a big one. It's going to last like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then continue. So, but the correction is going to break this trend line. So you must break this trend line to confirm that it's a bigger picture of corrections. You understand, guys? So that is all for good. But last now, if we go to the one time frame, there's still opportunity to buy from good. It's have a very big opportunity to buy also. So once I see this is once I see a correction from good, a very recognizable correction pattern from maybe a triangle, something like that, I'll buy. I'll stay buy and make some profits. That is all for good now. Understand, guys? That's all for good. DSY. When you look at DSY, you can discover that DSY is actually doing a correction pattern. This is an impulse wave, and this is a correction pattern. This is a correction. This is A, this is B, and this is C. So let's go to the daily time frame. Then we can get something to munch. Okay, look at it now. When you look at here, you discover that you already done complete wave. So we expected a correction, a very correction, then a buy to here. So once the correction is over, I'll buy. You can sell the correction. Don't fear the correction. You can sell it if you can. You can risk it. Then I don't. Correction sometimes is good when you have an ITC ideas knowledge. So looking at the Euro US dollar, it uses as an inverse proportion of DSY. So looking at it now, you can see successfully that it has done what it's supposed to do. So I will expect a correction. A correction. Let me arrange it well before a drop. So a correction will be here before a drop. Don't mind this confirmation. It's for buying. When you want to buy, when you want to trade the correction, I think I can trade the correction because the correction may be sweet to be traded. But remember, don't risk too much because it's a correction. Once it is over, you see a drop. So that is all. The same goes with his brother. The same goes with his brother. A correction is expected. He already started correction already. It's related to this very place and a drop. So this one, this Great Britain US dollar, I suspect that's going to do a 5-wave structure to this very place. Going to be a 5-wave structure to here. It's not going to be a 3-wave structure, it's going to be a 5-wave. So looking at this is a complete 1 wave 1. Wave 2 is coming and wave 3 is going to come. So that is all for Great Britain US dollar. Let's see the bigger time frame so that you may see what is happening in the bigger picture. Look at the bigger picture here so that you will understand. Can you see that? This is number 1, this is A, this is B, and this is C. So that is all for this guy. So what next? Okay, this is Great Britain. This pay give a lot of headache to so many traders, including me. But if you like, if whenever I see a good structure on this pair, I don't waste it because he trade very fast, move very accurate. You can see the movement fast. Can give you, it can give you a lot of pimps in a day. So it's a very good trade. So looking at it, you can see one, the trading inside channel. This is one, this is two, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So three. That's better the correction 4 before another one coming here. So looking at daily time frame, you will see that he has come and touched here and reversed with a speed. Let me show you. Let me show you something. Yeah, reverse with a very powerful speed of light. You can see that it touched here and reverse. This is a sign of end end trend. So reverse here. So I'm looking for a correction here. I'll buy it and risk this place. Start taking my profit from here. But see, I can be a confirmation to go up more. That is all for Euro Great Britain. Okay, this is an Australian dollar, US dollar. Australian dollar, US dollar. So looking at it, you can see the trend line. The market came to the trend line and bounced off. So looking at it, you can see an extortion W, X, and Y is coming. So I expected it to come this very place or even below it. It may even come below it here, this very place before a buy. So once I see a correction pattern and a sell signal, I'll sell down to this very place. The same goes with his counterpart, his partner. You can see that this is a triangle correction as B. You can see where it's coming. So once this trend line is broken, this very trend line, once here is broken, then forget about anything buy, look for a correction, and then sell, get it down. That is all for New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So looking at US dollar shift, it's time to come up. You can see that it has been falling. It is time to come up. So it's going to come up. You're going to see a correction, then up. What is all for this guy? Then US dollar yen. When you look at it, it's covered as I already break a trend line. When you look at it from bigger time frame, you can see the wave 1, you can see the 2, then you can see the 3, C4, and C5. So a correction is coming, and a correction likely to end there. So I expected it to fall all the way from here, to here. That's what I expected. I expected this move, and this move is going to give us a very huge money. So stay in the Telegram channel to find out when and how we're going to enter it, because I'm going to break it down by end of this coming week. The same goes with this guy. Looking at it, you can see that this place has been broken. So it's better to drop to this time before a continuation begins. So that's what I expected here, and then continue. The same thing with Hero Japanese yen. See it here. You can see 1, 2, this is 3, 4, and 5 continues. So we're looking for sale. Yeah, this split looking for sale on that pair. Looking at this one, you can see that it's already done 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. We're looking for 5. The details of this Hero Canada will be on our Telegram channel. Oh yeah. Crude oil is selling, but due to the fact of the war of Iran and Israel, the crude oil has been behaving somehow. So better to leave it, not to trade it. But actually, it's coming down. Look at it. It's coming down. And here is the first destination. It may surpass here and come here before any buy will can take place. That is all for crude oil. What's oil? Nasdaq. Nasdaq is flying up though, but I'm not going to buy until I see that my correction. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. There is a correction that I'm looking for in that Nasdaq. Once I get it, I'm very much happy to buy it. Look at it. You can see I'm just looking for this to fall here. Once it gets to here, then I have very power, all my power to buy. I'll risk more than I can risk to buy it because it's going to be huge. That is so pronounced that. The same goes with the um, S&P. I need a correction. I can't buy a trade that is trending up. I need a correction to enter. Because the enter through correction, it makes more profit. Okay, this one I'm looking at it. We discover that this have a lot of up move to do. Look at it. Get some up move. So this is 1, 2. This is another 1, 2. This is 3. This is 4. And this is 5. This is wave 3. So I wanted to do wave 4 before another up. I expected it to come complete wave 4 here before another up move. So I won't buy unless I see this 4 and I buy from this 4 up. It's all for US start. Bitcoin has been jumping as expected. Looking at the Bitcoin, the correction is over. So what are we saying? What are we planning? Bitcoin is flying. So we don't know where Bitcoin may end. But we know that Bitcoin is going to go up at least to 100,000 US dollars. So that's at least of it. But it can beat that. The same goes with other coins. They already corrected finish. They are looking for up move. The same with Solana. We look at Solana. Solana is going up. Once that place is broken, it's flying up. Solana may make more than we expected. We reach $500 or more. LinkedIn, the same goes with LinkedIn. LinkedIn is going very far. If you have money to invest in crypto, I will sort of financial advice do with the suggestion. LinkedIn is a good pair to put your money in for return. The same goes with other crypto markets. A lot of them, they are desperately looking for and a push up, which might come anytime soon. It might come anytime soon. That is before December. Okay, that is all, guys. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Remember to share this video. Give us a thumb like. And also, if you have any question concerning any pair, or want us to analyze any pair, just feel free. Drop it on the comment section in the Telegram channel or on this video. Also, there's a description to the Telegram channel in this video, so click the link and join the Telegram channel. That is all, guys. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for sharing this video. Bye for now.